Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Kucoin versus Bybit. Which one is better? You can stay in the end of the video. We will tell you which one is better. So as you can see, we are here on marketplacefairness.org. They have a pretty unique outlook on comparing these two companies or exchanges. So as you can see, Bybit had 5-star ratio and Kucoin 4.5-star ratio right here, as you can see. Now, as you can see, we have always fiat, right? We have a lot of fiat. So we can actually go translate this to English, right? So as you can see, we have fiat, a lot of fiat currencies on Kucoin, but Kucoin has a lot more. We also have number of coins, over 700 plus coins on Kucoin, and we have trading fees which are 0.1% on both of these platforms. Obviously on Bybit it fluctuates, right? Now they both have wire transfer. Only Bybit has Google Pay. They don't have Fedwire. Only Kucoin has PayPal. They both have credit card and debit card enabled. Now Bybit does not have Apple Pay and Kucoin has Apple Pay, and they both don't have Swift, but Skrill, Kucoin has Skrill, right? You can see a lot of these, exchanges right here, what they have, what they don't have, right? But let's see about advantages and disadvantages, right? So Bybit, when it comes to Bybit, advantage is they have 24/7 live chat support, right? They have demo account to practice trading. They offer spot, margin, and derivatives trading. They copy trading feature. They have that copy trading feature, and they have an NFT market similar to Binance. Then some of the disadvantages, they have less coins than Kucoin, which is 220 plus coins is less than Kucoin range, right? Not available in United States, which is a big con, right? And when it comes to Kucoin, right, the advantage is they have large cryptocurrency exchange with more than 11 million users worldwide, right? They have extremely low commissions, a cryptocurrency loan and loan application. They have more than 700 cryptocurrencies available and additional features such as crypto lending, free trading bots, margin trading, futures trading, and a lot more, right? Now, some of the disadvantages, fiat currencies cannot be withdrawn. That's a big disadvantage on Kucoin, and poor customer service, no live chat support. Now, Kucoin will be able to get a credit card soon. So you will be able to get a Kucoin credit card soon or debit card. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So to compare these two, I would say Kucoin is more popular, right? Kucoin has more coins. Of course, you cannot withdraw the currencies, and they have poor customer service. But in my eyes, I think Kucoin will be the winner here because they are available worldwide, and Bybit is not available worldwide. I think that's my personal, thinking behind this. I think Kucoin is just a better here and a winner here in this comparison. So comment down below, what do you think? Who is the winner in your eyes? And I would love to see some of your comments. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.